Hey guys, Sean here with Z1 Motorsports. Today we're at Road Atlanta with Jzilla doing some product development, testing, research on the Z1 Supercharger kits, seeing how well they hold up on track. This here is Spencer's car. He has been out on track all day. He seems to have pretty good, pretty positive reviews, going pretty fast. Found the limits pretty quick, no complaints, stayed pretty cool all day, even in this hot weather and all that. We're gonna get him back out, get him some more laps, get some more feedback, and right now we're just waiting for our run group to be called again.
Spencer at Z1, first maiden voyage out with the extra few hundred horsepower. Taking some great time today at Atlanta to learn that. It's a hoot. New gears I haven't found before. And brakes are freaking holding strong too. Freaking incredible. So let's see if we can find some time.
They were out at Road Atlanta. Beautiful events, maiden voyage for me on the Supercharger. You guys asked me to chime in, so we can give you a quick feedback on where we are. Installed this a couple weekends ago at home. Jack stands, hand tools, pretty straightforward. Got it in, got it tuned, made a bunch of power, pulled it back a little, and then we found ourselves here. Went ahead to upgrade the brakes too at the same time, and I haven't driven this car since October, so a bit of a change there to go from like 330-ish horsepower to 500 plus horsepower and change brakes. So come out, trying to work my way into it today. It's crazy. Power is like insane. Before, top speed if I was lucky on my own down the back straight be like 138, and I'm bumping the limiter in 5th. I don't know what that is, close to 160 or something probably. These days. Yeah, game changing. Now I just got to wrap my head around it. I got to work on the driver. I get some seat time to see if I can find even more time. I've already bested my fastest lap. There's a lot left on the table, so I'm really excited. If you have installed other Superchargers, by the way, like when you start doing this, when you're putting it on, it's crazy how nice everything is. All stainless pulleys, machine work is beautiful. All mandrel bins, hose kit, everything just fit really well. Like it was easy. It was easy at home. It was the easiest install I've ever done. I did it at home. Anyways, if you guys have questions on this stuff, just reach out to us. Keep following along, and I'll hopefully update with faster lap times.